My money-making strategies work. I was challenged by the Los Angeles Times to buy real estate with nothing down, and they sent me to San Francisco and they took away my wallet, and I bought 7 properties in 57 hours. I was also challenged to make money on the internet. In 24 hours, I made $94,500. I was even challenged to take someone off an unemployment line. One couple made over $100,000 in their first year. In fact, my students have made over $1 billion in profit and have given away over $30 million to charity. I've been challenged again to prove that these systems work in today's marketplace. Would you like to work with me on a weekly basis to prove that you can make fast cash in slow times? Well, the catch is you must be willing to meet with me and my team and to give me your success story for my website. Call this number, 800-429-9209. 800-429-9209. You'll kick yourself if you missed it.
Do you or your child have crooked or misaligned teeth, an overbite or an underbite? Are you hesitant to smile because your teeth look bad? Do you suffer from headaches due to jaw pain or have difficulty breathing? Here's your chance to have straight teeth and a beautiful, confident smile for yourself and your child. For a limited time, Orange County Dental Specialists are offering Fish listeners orthodontic treatment, including braces and even Invisalign, for a fraction of the price you'd pay anywhere else. Your treatment is custom tailored by a group of specialists led by orthodontist Dr. Sean Miller. Dr. Miller completed his orthodontic specialty at Harvard and has years of experience to provide you and your child the best orthodontic care possible. Tell them you're a Fish listener and get payments as low as $98 per month. This is a limited time offer, so don't wait. Schedule your complimentary orthodontics evaluation today. Call Orange County Dental Specialists at 949-7